Trainers can create a more positive learning environment by interacting with trainees. For decades, social psychologists have studied the self-fulfilling prophecy, the tendency for our expectations to impact our behaviors in ways that fulfill our expectations. When trainers believe that trainees can learn, trainees are more likely to learn. When trainers don't believe trainees are capable of learning, they don't learn as much. For this reason, trainers need to stay optimistic and be encouraging and supportive. To engage with trainees, trainers should try some of these strategies. Be enthusiastic and show trainees just how excited you are to share your expertise with them. Move about the room and exaggerate your gestures, especially in large training rooms. Create or find learning activities that are interactive, engaging, and application-based, like role plays and business games. Use a variety of hands-on, group building, and technology-based training methods to get trainees more involved. We'll learn more about these methods in the next module. Ask trainees to complete assessments to learn more about themselves. Class polling and class discussions are two other ways of interacting with trainees.